Yan po ang pupuntahan natin. We just have to go for a lineup. Baba.
At least, akala ko nga hanggang sa baba ganyan
Ayan po sila nagchichismisan. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Masaka din na.
Hindi ako chismis. This is it, guys! Punta na natin yung ating falls! So... Taday laman.
Pangalap Teresa, pwede pa yun.
Pwede din, manuli ka. Takbo! Ay, mga itang pagato pa. Thank you, sir! Greatly appreciate it. So, yan guys, nandito kami for boating. So, andito ang mga kasama ko. As you can see, ito ang aking nag-iisang kapatid na lalaki, si Star. Yan. So, ayan naman. Ito ang aking hipag. Where is she? Ate, say hi. Yan. Tapos ang ating tita. Oh, so siya lang aming dapa. We have to go here. So, yan guys po. So, let's enjoy.
Be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 528 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rockfall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls. The smallest of the three waterfalls, it is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts.
Casino. May kamatag casino.
natin last night yung mataas.
Sa Bigo na.
Sabi ko,
Ayos siya, Bigo na nga. Di ba yung casino nga ng Lakarato?
oo, hindi yan nga yung nasa harapan natin.
Tatang yan.
Yeah.
Niagara Falls, more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridal Veil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of
Kasama yun
Niagara
lahat
Falls.
na
And to this
sa
day, Niagara Falls remains
24 hour,
a
one day pass.
There are over 5 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall
mas nakapesa.
Kung ano-ano yung mga
at an average of 750,000
kahit nasa
gallons
pupunta
per
sila ng
second.
butterfly,
Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the
ganyan.
white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Dapat
Magkaway daw, mas hindi magkaway naman tayo.
parang akala mo katabi mo na eh. Dito nababasa ang tao.
When you approach the dock, please do not move about the vessel and refrain from using the stairs until the vessel is secure. Once alongside the dock, our crew will direct you to either the forward or rear gangway for disembarking. Check to make sure you have all your belongings and proceed to exit the vessel. Visit our Miss Gear gift shop for those last-minute items, or join us dockside at the Riverside Patio Bar and Grill and enjoy Niagara wines, craft beer, and a selection of delicious entrees, snacks, or sweets. On behalf of Captain and crew, we thank you for sailing with Niagara City Cruises.
Thank you. Thank you sa experience. Maingit si Joya sa kasi sino ba yung kasama niyo pa? Si Joy lang? Tatlo kayo, di ba? Si Michelle? No, yung kasama niyo pumunta dito. Si Weng.
Kanina kaya yun?
Hindi kasi nung punta nga tayo.
Hindi, di ba? Ang pangit ng
At saka umuulan, hindi tayo nakalabas. Nag-stay nga tayo sa loob eh.
Yan. So, yan. Ibababa yan para makalabas ang mga tao. Pero si Kuya, mag-climb ka no tanengi. Kasi bawal ka no yaya. Ginawa ng kwento. Mamaniwala kayo sa YouTube ko. No, it's not. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Ang galing nila ipakul mo yun. Nahihirapan.
Sige lang.
Yay!
Kaya huwag ka na makisabay muna dyan.
Kaya nga, marami pa yan. Pababain mo na muna sila.
Yung nasa baba. Ay hindi, kung gano'n eh, yung mga ito rin, ano, doon na tayo sa labas. Wala.
Kaya nga, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Sana sa atin.
Ano, nauna na. Goodbye po. Ayun mo, Santi. Ayan, Santi. Oh.
Kata pinukatan,
Kalagutan tayo lawan. Baka walang mag-open.
Ay, awan sa wala inopen.
Bye. Pwede ka na alsat?
Tumbi ba sa dali? Ako naman. Buti na lang halfway pa lang.